Hello guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon, good morning. I don't want to take anybody time too much, but I want to talk about this video where they work out and down for social media. See, I don't want to put my mouth for because I don't like to watch video for Facebook. I can't dey talk, but today is not a comedy, I'm not doing comedy today. Don't worry, very soon. The comedy where I won't put down for you, go hot. Don't worry. So I feel great everybody. Good afternoon, good afternoon. I don't want to talk for that matter before because the video too they work up and down for Facebook. Everybody they talk their own. Everybody carry the video, they talk. The what did they talk about that video, I don't know you understand, but I want to talk my own. First of all, I want me woman, all women, all married women. I not talk about single mother. I want me everybody listen to this topic I want to talk. See this thing, I first watch one of my friends for YouTube. I watched that video where they did for the woman, for that video. He said the woman no have right to go and fight the girl in supermarket. He said that is not make sense. Then one of my friend, he post the video. He post one woman. The woman do video. He come to say the woman no give their self-respect. Why the woman go insult the girl for public like that? Why the woman go fight the husband girlfriend like that? Why the woman did? Why the woman do that? Why the woman do this? This is not right. Say make the woman, may woman they find something, make they work. We go make them busy so that no go they listen. Maybe your husband get girlfriend for outside or no get girlfriend outside. First of all, that woman will do the video. Okay now, if a woman don't they work now, they work, you get money, you get something where they make and they busy. You don't need to look in your husband. You don't need to monitor in your husband. Not be by monitor. You need to give man free moment. Man need free moment. But if you talk about free moment, it's not like you get another girlfriend in outside. So that woman don't they talk, it can't they blame the woman. Woman will get in husband do. See, sometime if I dey watch something for YouTube or Facebook, if it's something happen like that, the way a lot of people they blame person wey get that thing. Okay now, for example, be like say I put person for my house. I just talk like that, or I put person for my house. I can't go work. I can't keep my money for under my pillow. The person where I put for house, you can't go my room, go carry that thing. Me and that person can't they fight. People can't they blame me, say, why me put that money for my room? No be for outside though. Why me put my money for my room? A lot of people say the woman no need them. Supposed to go fight in husband. Oh my God. Say supposed to go fight in husband. Supposed to go talk with in husband. Me no get any business with that girl because no be the girl, no be the girl, no be the girl. True, it's not be the girl. Now man go meet woman, say, baby, what's up now? What's up, baby? I love you. I love blah 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 blah. You know the way man they talk now. So sweet thing. You understand? But that woman will talk that I want you may put yourself like that woman the problem with the woman there now. You understand? A lot of people say you're supposed to go tie your husband. Woman we don't know how to tie man to do juju so that your husband no go feel look outside. Woman we don't know that one. What you want can do? Maybe before this woman, say man that they push woman until they push the woman reach wall. That one can't turn in face. You know wetin dis woman dey face inside room. Dat madam wey come talk say the woman, maybe the woman no get work or whatever or something like that, and the woman talk say the girl dey give am back to back. You no fit judge because you no follow dis girl reach house. You don't know whether they do doggy for im husband. You don't know whether they raise im leg for up. You don't know anything wey im husband want. You know say man wey be like say their blood, shit dey inside the blood. Whatever you do, even though if you know how to dress, if you know how to pat Mary Kay put for face, sorry. If you know how to wear Brazilian head, if you know how to wear match to match, you know competition, you know all this thing now, you know. If you carry clothes, you match your shoe, you dress normal, you make up, you look shine, you can't put that abebe wey they put for face, eyelashes. Before me sef I dey do am for Nigeria, but now I no want to do am again because e don comot my this thing finish. If you see me sef, you go see say sometimes I no dey make up, or else maybe I get party or I dey go church, I dey make up. So whatever you do, man wey be like say cheating, e dey their blood, e must do am. First of all, I watch one of my friend. If you do live video, but I no watch at the time wey they do live video. E don finish before I go watch am. E talk say some people drop comments say, because me sef I post the video. He say person drop the comment say maybe may see the way the woman dress or whatever or something like that. You know the time where that woman will never born. You know as in stature be. Because I believe say if in stature be like that, the man no go meet and say what marry am. I know say some men get stature, some women get stature wey be like say even if you born 6, you no go know say they don't born. See like this girl for Facebook, Ebony. See their stature. Maybe 2 children or 3 children. I don't know how many children get. But see in stature, you no go know say don't get pikin. But person will be like say fatness, e dey their body. Even though if you diet, you do exercise, that fat, it go still dey, but it go reduce. But this woman is not fat too much. So people say, see the way dress. You know, say maybe because they won't go meet that girl. Now you make can dress like that. The way some people they judge for Facebook, is not nice. Why woman will be like say now we be our problem by ourselves? Normal they talk for Quran say like Yoruba say men can marry 4 women or 5, but they no talk man we no they responsible. We never take care of him home. Man we know God, we they fear God, like prophets and afa to mock lot one in the Quran. To mock me, yes, if I do this one for my wife, you know go cause fight for Mama Fatima, you know go cause fight for Mama Yakub. Now that they marry 4 wife, that they marry to, even though don't say they go get for her side though, they go carry and come house. They all do this to save me. E no good, because no woman will go happy say may they marry another woman, put down, may they marry another woman, join now. Even though if you agree at last, no woman will go dey happy. That love will be like say na 100, you go cut to 40. See some men that they use their hand sometime scatter their process, their future, their like good thing wey don't dey their life, that they use their hand scatter am. A lot of people say, see the way that girlfriend, see the way he look, his sex, he do that, he do this. They see the way he dress, see the way he clean. That woman will go fight, natural beauty, no cream. E no use cream, e no make up. E no make up. Na frustration. Na him make am be like that. Go meet that girl for supermarket. Maybe before the woman go meet that girl for supermarket, don't fight your husband, fight your husband for house. Your husband no here. Maybe your husband no dey agree. Some people go talk say they make the woman check themselves whether I get wetin they do for your husband. Making husband they look for outside or whatever like that. Woman, may they know they judge like that. You understand? You're supposed to support each other. No be by say you go dey. Then I know say all these people wey they drop that message, where they do that video, about that woman, say the woman get fault, the woman not supposed to get right to go fight the girl for supermarket. I know so a lot of them no be marriage woman. A lot of them they follow marriage woman too. That's why they. But some people go do video, go talk say I'm a marriage woman. Show your husband, show your family. If you did that woman position, you go dey happy. If you say na person hear you or person tell you, or now you use your two eyes see your husband, girlfriend, koro, maybe that woman, maybe na in the parent house, maybe na in they pay their children school fees, maybe na in still they put money for your husband pocket. You know, nobody know. Or maybe the woman and husband, maybe if you parent house, you go pay children school fees. According to a lot of people, they talk say husband and wife supposed to need to support each other. You supposed to support your husband. You don't need to put everything with your. I agree with that one, because if you talk say man they do everything for you, the man no go, you no go reach 50, no go reach 67. You don't they be like 80 something years old. So if man no supposed to dey do everything, make woman come dey carry in hand, come put am for in hair like this. You sef is supposed to get wetin go dey put for house. Maybe na the woman dey do everything, or maybe the woman, because if you watch the video, I feel for the woman. I feel am. I cry. He say, you know the sufferness wey I suffer for my husband. You know the sufferness wey I suffer for my marriage. Although this single, the woman talk and say that girl a marriage woman like she or like him. You know the sufferness. Maybe the time where that woman marry her husband, nothing, they no get anything. Now, according to this woman, we thought say nobody know my story. Akara don they do this thing. After the woman don't chop garri, don't chop garri. Time come reach now to eat pounded yam with ogufe. Now you wan get wey be like come be like coronavirus. You can't talk say you won't come dey befriend the man. A lot of people say if your husband see the video, if you go rent house for the girl, if you go buy car for am, if you go bride the oh, people will make that video, you do mistake. See, some women they will be like say you go wake up in the night, pray for your husband, say me everything better for your husband. You go dey pray for your husband, say me everything good for your husband. Fasting. Now the woman know the place where your leg is reach before your husband don't hammer. Your husband come hammer finish. Now that I can't know say your wife don't know how to dress. Your wife don't fat. Your wife don't know how to make hair. Your wife don't know how to do Mary Kay. Then some men they will be like say you go tell their wife. They will know say your wife fine. Oh, go come tell and say I don't want you to make up. I don't want you to do Brazilian hair. I know a lot of men where they tell their wife like that. Will be like say their wife said that they follow the law. I don't want you to wear trouser. I want you to dress like be like say na you kill Jesus Christ. Because she know say if your wife they dress like that, another man go they look in wife, because himself if they look all that girls where they dress like that for her side. You understand? Men know they break woman heart. Men, if you know say this woman no good for you enough, you're not supposed to put the woman for house and born for you. Because woman know they happy if you hear say your husband get another girlfriend for her side. Talk less say you go hear say he get belle, you won't carry am come house. Now he make some woman will be like say they kill their husband. At the end of the day, the woman go jail. They fit kill the woman. See this video where they go viral that time. Miriam this thing. This Awusa girls we kill your husband. They get children because of say your husband get girlfriend. Now he make am kill your husband in the night. At the end of the day, they kill the girl back. You know, say some women they will be like say they love their husband. all their heart, everything, their life, they don't give im husband. Everything wey im husband want, they do that sacrifice for im husband. At the end of the day, the woman come here say the man betray now. You know how the thing go be? It go heavy. You know, woman will be like say you don't know I take keep something, I take hold something. No be woman know all do that. No be woman know how to control their hot temper. You know? The woman dey cry for supermarket. Even though if you see this woman, go know say no get problem for her. Because if you say nah, although this crazy woman, the way they go beat the girl for that supermarket, you go even carry their friend follow body. But see the way the woman self they talk to the girl, he no beat her now. He no do anything. He just do am like this. He say talk to me as a woman with respect. The woman no deserve respect. No be im husband. He said the man no deserve and no deserve am. Okay, at the end of the day now, maybe at the end of the day, the man now he go come out. Me, I no understand though. A lot of this video wey people they make for this video, I no understand. Make the woman come out for this girl for us because of this girl. Make carry him pikin come out for us. So I don't understand the video. Because why woman or a man they go start life when nothing no day. The thing go come down. At that time, the man know say he's supposed to carry their coronavirus leg, go outside, go look for another woman. Men, please, you need to dey pity woman. Okay, if you say na man, see this video now. Where they talk say the woman dey Nigeria, and husband dey obodo oyibo. His wife come dey tell am say we get maybe 4 children or 3 children. He come dey disturb him husband say come carry me now, come carry me now. They come carry. I know say if you want carry children come for Nigeria now and your wife, they go tell you for air bands. They say me go do blood test. Now that time the man wey dey obodo oyibo know say no be you get all the 4 children. See the way comot all their teeth. See the way blow in eyes. See blood, see everywhere. You believe say even though if the eyes open again, the eyes no go fit, no go fit see road well again. If you rain dey fall, you go think say maybe na sun dey shine. Why we be like say if a woman do that thing, it go be like say may man kill the woman. That is if they separate husband and wife sometimes. But if a man can't do am, some people go talk say man get right, man get right. Okay, if this man now can't go get coronavirus, or he go get HIV, or he go get another sickness for all of this useless girl, where they dress like be like say tomorrow no day. You think say maybe your wife no go fit dress like that? If you go get any sickness now, no be only that man he go die with that sickness. You go share for your wife. From there, their children go share inside. If they talk sometimes, people, if you want make video sometimes, supposed to they do video wey be like say, you know say this thing, no be say it good. Because some men go fuck another woman for outside without no condom. They go do flesh to flesh. They go talk say condom no dey sweet or whatever like that. They do fresh to fresh. You know the woman wey want do fresh, no be say you carry am go hospital, go do checkup. You don't know the sickness wey you get for body. You don't know whether you get sugar this thing. You don't know whether you get all this sickness for body. You don't know. You go come fuck that one. Then although this man, if you don't dey fuck for her side, you must know for their body for house. Because their behavior go change. The way they behave with him wife, we never get, it go change. Maybe na every day they give him wife before, or maybe na 3 times in a week, maybe na 2 times in a week, maybe it go reduce. From there, him wife go dey notice. Maybe before they give him wife, maybe 500, maybe 100 euro. Say use and buy something, you go reduce am for 40 euro. Because slay mama dey outside. We won't wear Brazilian head. You know, saying wife know they wear Brazilian head. So that one where they outside money go increase pass in wife. Because in wife, you don't tell in wife, I don't want you to wear trouser. I don't want you to wear Brazilian. I don't want you to make up. So although that money, now snake mama go to collect them for her side. Snake mama may not rest now. Single guy they outside. Why no they follow although that one? May they plan your future. Even though if you don't want to plan your future, if you don't want to suffer, if you don't want to marry man, we be like say never get money, single boy dey outside wey be like say they hammer, they get money, yahoo boy dey there. Go follow all that one and may he leave all this marriage men. If he come meet you, if he talk say no, he say no. If he disturb you maybe 2 months, 3 months or whatever, it go stop. But some woman self, you go see say, this man, I like this man, I go fuck am, this man kid, see the way him wife said, be me self, I want chop inside that money. Some woman dey like, some single mother dey like that. So all those snake mama, they dey like that, go they do spiritual. Some go they rub powder for face. Some go they do tiro for ear. Some they pull, they Yoruba say bere. They go do bere the way that they use blade, put for toto. Any man wey they don't fuck am, you go forget house. But this woman now, you can't try their best. A lot of people can't they blame the woman. Why? The woman no beat that girl. He no beat her. The woman still dey cry. If he beat her now, they go sit and say beat her. Why beat him? The girl like that. Why can't they do? Why the girl can't do like that with fellow woman like him? Why can't do am? If you are not a marriage woman, one day, now one man go put you for house. If a man can't put you for house, you suffer, you do everything. Maybe now you the parent as you do everything. At the end of it, you can't hear say your husband get. I won't take fee. They like this person where they do that, where they fight in husband, girlfriend for outside like that. Now you good pass. Some women, they don't go talk anything. They don't go even let their husband know say they notice say your husband get girlfriend for outside. But what if they go do the man? If the man self they hear woman, he go run. He go run because that your was the tick where they carry up and down. Say one go, they go come help am, put am for bottle. See bottle, see like this bottle. They go come help man put am inside. Some men they will be like say their in wife he lock in husband this thing. Although this in wife don't lock am. If you go outside with another woman, that's a no go stand. Or else only in wife. Some men deserve that thing. But me, I no go fit do am. They no go. Because one day you self, you go born. God go give you boy. So if another woman do am with your pikin, you no go dey happy. They go talk say, this thing, you know dey for one woman. You know dey for one woman, they tell you say make they carry and waka up and down. Shook am for dog, shook am for animal, shook am for rat, shook am for Now go dey hear say some people sick, make people call help am, they get stroke, they get this, they get that. No be for the place where they waka up and down, we be like say they no stay for one place. They all do this slave mama. You supposed to think say one day person go marry you. Even though if that person marry you, he leave him wife because of you. That's the way do for him first wife. He must do am for you. Because if something don't happen with person, na experience that they used to tell you for this video. If he marry you, he leave him wife because of you. That thing wey do for him wife, he go do am for you. But now your own go worst. Because although this man, me I don't know this coronavirus girl. I don't know wetin one born for you. We be like say go reach the one wey dey house. The pikin wey don born, wey your real wife wey dey house. The pikin wey born for you. The another woman wey dey for outside now. You know fit born reach that pikin. From there now go hear say the man, their business no dey go well. Why your business go well? Wey be like say instead of to let your wife dey happy, make your wife too happy, na water they collect for their face. The time wey the woman supposed to get for you to pray for you, the woman no get that time to pray for you again. You can't dey think about you. How your business want to go well? Your business no go well. Everything go run down because you no make the woman dey happy again. The woman no get time for you to pray for you. Some men, wetin supposed to use 1 month collect. Some men go use 100 years get that thing because of cheating. Cheating is not good. Woman, you have to come outside for all this thing, talk this thing. Cheating is not good. At the end of the day now, maybe if he, according to a lot of people do the video, say if your husband see this video now, if he go leave him wife, how their children won't take feel? Say because of one woman, one cholera virus, na him make him papa abandon him their mama. When you know that way you wan marry the woman before e never born for you, you know say you don't know how to dress, you don't know say the woman fat, why no leave am? Wey be like say the person wey go know the fatness, wey be like say if you wear cloth, everything go dey kporo. I no talk fat. If a person fat too much is not good. But some women, no be say like me now, don't worry, I would tell my sister for Nigeria make send my old picture, even though that time I don get 2 children. If you see me where I be like boom. You know say if you don dey born na so your body dey change, the body dey change, the body dey. Na woman no go live in body like that. Even though if you fat, go package yourself. God do dey everything dey. See like me now, I no born. See, I no born. My baby now e dey go 4 months. I know say because my baby no dey collect milk, na only breast e dey suck. If you leave breast now, I know wetin I go drink wey be like say I go reduce small. Even though if I no be like my stature before, I go still calm down. But the man supposed to get patient, say the time wey I marry this girl, you no be like this. Supposed to know say na something wey comot, wey you put, wetin you put for ground, na him make the woman be like that. Because that time wey the woman be like pankere, wey dey turn am the way you like, wey dey give you doggy, wey dey hang in leg for up. You don't know that time say your wife na beautiful woman. You come born. See some men, they are wicked. If your wife never born, na so go say am say they go use am do handbag. They go hold am be like say they no go fit leave that woman, or they no go fit knipe another woman. But when they see say the woman don born, you don get 2. Even though if you get 1, go still dey manage small stuff. If you don see say you don get 2, you don get 3, and so their hair go be like say they pull acid. One, why men? Why? You supposed to pity for us, because if you say na marriage woman do this thing now, I know the way a lot of people go carry the matter. Some men for don come outside talk this topic. Oh, kasala don burst. Hey, blah. E no good. E no good. God go give you your wife like this. Say this one na your wife, oh. This one na your papa, oh. This one na your mama. This one na your best friend, oh. This one na your hand girl, oh. Go come use your hand because of cholera virus. Go come use your hand pursue and comot for house. Why? Then woman, I want to talk to you, sef. If you hear say man tell you say I don't want you to use cream, I don't want you to use Brazilian hair, I don't want you to make up, I don't want you to wear trousers, my dear sister, don't dull yourself. That kind man, that thing dey look am for outside. One person dey outside wey be like say e dey pull abebe labalaba, wey be like say all that labalaba, if you no put am for face, if you no make up, go see all that people in the morning wey they never wash their face, go see their face. Go see the way they be. They go be like horror. They no fine. Now Mary Kay pancake. They go pat put for face. Sometimes if I dey watch some people where they make up for. But also me, I dey make up, but no be every day. I won't do video now. I go make up. I won't go outside. Say I won't go supermarket. I go. Wetin happen? Na me kill Jesus Christ. If I want to go church, I dey make up. If I want to go party, I dey make up. You understand? Because if you do the makeup self too much, if you no want makeup, if you no make up one day, if you go see the way your face go look, you no go fine. You no go fine. So if man going to tell you, say, I don't want you to wear trousers, and then some woman say, I don't do all that thing pass. Oh, snake mama will be like say they know how to do competition, the day outside wey go do everything for your husband. You come sit down for there, come talk say I no want to wear trousers, I no want to dress, I no want to do the some women the way even though your husband go work, your husband go come back, the way they go dress if you don't know say time don't reach where your husband won't come for work, I beg my sister, just go find one bun short. If you don't wear bun short, wear that jeans pants, although that tiny pata, wear around. What you not supposed to pick for ground, pick am, carry your yansh, do am like this. Where this thing come dey now? Where I come put this thing now? I know say some men they will be like say if you don't, no matter what you do, they must look outside. That blood there's some men. There's some men very quiet. They know they reason that one. They know they for all that rubbish. They focus for their family. The way they want bride in picky put fit. Even though if you say their wife is fat, it be like jegbele. You know go say they no go look outside. But say, if you thought say me they carry 100 people come outside, na tekpa. By fire by force, now you go see too. We be like say no, they look outside. You no go shit in wife. Cheating is not good. May woman talk true. Because if they give all this name mama power, say what did the woman go do for supermarket? You know beat am. You know use pancake beat am. You know do anything. You know put water for their body. You know do anything for. He touch her like this. Say talk to me. Talk to me as a woman with respect. You know the sufferness where I suffer. Come here. Don't go. Now they talk. You know they see a lot of video for Facebook where be like say if yes they go beat the woman, lick her down. This one no do am. You know tear their cloth. You know hold on like this. The girl no hold on. If you see the way the woman go talk, do you know say the woman if it dey house na very quiet woman. Although these people where they make that useless video, now that one they fit kill their husband because they hear say your husband get another girlfriend for outside. But woman will be like say they do their own guru. If you don't reach us now, if your husband don't beg and don't finish. Women, may they support each other. May they talk this thing. Although this YouTuber, although this blogger, is supposed to talk this thing. May they, oh my God. If you say I go school where I can't be like government or whatever or president, although this law is supposed to day. It's supposed to day. Because this thing, if they cause some woman will be like say, oh, for hundreds years, you no go forget. See a lot of mother will be like say they go deal with her only their pikin. Now do this to separate husband and wife. Because some women no feel cope. Go to say wetin only they chop before. Now one person come they share am now. I know say woman plenty, but as you say woman plenty, God don't grade all the woman husband for am. No be by person. Although this Quran safe. Oh, me I no come talk rubbish. Because I'm a Muslim, I no feel lie. But this thing, they too they apple with all these men. We be like say they don't know how to handle. You get only wife, self. Now every day they fight. Talk like say you can't get two wife. You know say your wife don't know how to dress. Why you marry her? You know say you don't know how to make up. Why you marry her? You know say you too fat. Why you marry her? Why no live her? Make the person wey fat like that may come marry am. Some men go talk say, see the way my wife dress, see him belle. You know complain for inside house. You can't reach outside now. That time you know say one correct am. Then you know say before you marry this woman, you know fat like that. You know big like that. In belle no big like that. Now something wey comot for there. Future tomorrow, blessing tomorrow, big money tomorrow, big house tomorrow, president tomorrow, governor tomorrow, footballer tomorrow, lawyer tomorrow, wey comot for that woman body. Now you make am be like that. Man, if you no stop all this thing, wey be like say they too like to break woman heart. Woman go suffer with you. Chop garri without no fish with you. At the end of the day, you can't get one bed or one Range Rover. You can't get one God bless or what I want to. Now that I can't know say one go carry snake mama for outside. What do they worry men? Me, I dey talk am. Two boy where I get, God forbid. I no go gree. if you don't carry woman come give me say my mother na this woman wan marry, take am well. E dey okay for you, e no too fat for you, e no too slim for you, e no too black for you, e no too yellow for you, e no too makeup for you. You say yes, I love am. You come engage am, they come do marriage for you. You come put the woman come you, my pikin, your wife come born for you. Na that time one know say one get another. Na me sef I go follow my pikin wife go beat that girl. Look my pikin well, no fit marry am. If that lady say na this woman won't stop me, won't kill me, you go kill your mama, you go kill your papa, you go kill all your generation. You sef go come die, follow am, because no be by force. I no want me marry my pikin by force. You don't get wife, you don't get wife. Why all this name mama go here say marriage man? They tell na marriage man know how to take care of. Oh, my dear sister, because you dey outside, now him make am sweet you. If you don't enter house, that garri and groundnut wey the woman go chop, you sef go come chop am. You go see some woman for outside, the way they package herself, you don't know what they go through inside. But they go think say na husband they do everything for her. So woman go there hard working. That woman will come do that video say, me woman dey busy. Me okay, if I don't come dey busy now, me I can't leave my husband. I don't need to check my home again. If the woman can't carry my business, work too much now. Now what do this blogger and they go come outside and say because they do work where they do too much. Now he make his husband go low because he no get time for his husband. He no get time for his husband because I call the work now. If I see say work, it's too much for me, it won't affect my own, I go leave that job. Because if this thing can't happen now, now you won't come they help me pay my pikin school fees. Now you won't come they do everything for me. Even if I thought say I dey hard work, I get money. At the end of the day, we go suffer, take care of the pikin. The pikin go my mommy, where my papa? What you want give the pikin? You know, get papa, your papa don't die for sea. You can't go carry knife. If you don't show me my papa, I go kill you. You know they happen. It dey happen. So it's better just face that challenge. That although this name mama is supposed to face and say, see this house, you know, if he enter, he go die. Now die, go die. Your mama, they go come carry your dead body for inside this. Look this house where. I know the sufferness. Some women, the house where your husband beat. Now the woman come they carry sand, put her for her like this. They follow their workers. They carry block, go fetch water. Wetin me don't see before I come up for Nigeria. The house go come reach. Now that time the man go come know say one go carry one. I know even if you want marry him, if you go rent house for outside for him. But that house, you no go enter. Because the time when me they carry block, where they carry sand, where I go dey fetch water, the woman no dey there that time. When me can't go work, I can't carry my salary, join your own. So yeah, so that the house go feel fast. Let him come up for rent house, face me and slap you. Let him come up for there. The woman can't suffer finish like that. Now that snake mama gonna say, if you know say no go fish, you no go fish shift for me, you go come out. Now you go come out, you go still die put. Because now Ojukokoro, that house is not your house, it not belongs to you. If people they make video where go make sense. Why they can't they blame the woman? The woman will be like saying that he get your husband. You know whether not their family, that woman family say now he help your husband. You don't know. The woman can't they cry. Although these people no even pity for her. He says see the way the woman dress. What to concern you the way the woman dress? What to concern you? I tell you for some people for all of this Facebook, all of this blogger. What's happen? I feel for the woman. You no beat her. You no put water for him body. You no hold the girl clothes. You no do anything for her. The girl makeup no rough. See the way the girl save the waka. Hey, what's happen now? Woman. Awa gangan ni ṣòro ara wa. Awo obìnrin, awa ni ṣòro ara wa. You hear say this person, if you follow man, we be like saying wife don't go. don comot, if he marry because only talk about koni ọkọ lèyàn máa fẹ́, táyà bá dẹ̀ koni náà aya lèyàn máa fẹ́. If he hear say this man no get wife for house, if he marry am, but no be the one wey be like say don already get 4 children for house, na him wan go marry on top say he get money. Although this name mama, they fit follow marriage one wey be like say no get shishi, no get 1 naira. Wey they know say na him that they go spend for am. I know say some women sef, they see they spend money for man o. Maybe the man sabi well no. But you know, me still the pity for woman. Men, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Now I make a lot of marriage woman. We be like say at the end of the day, go to say kàkà kíkú má jẹ ṣèṣe. I have a shower dànù ni. Wọ́n bá pọkọ wọn. Ìyàwó náà lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Àbí kọ́ pa ìyàwó. Àwọn ọmọ bá dọmọ lọ́mọ. Ìtàn wo lẹ fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ yín pa nípa yín? Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe kíní, ẹ máa ro ọlá ọmọ tó ti wà láàrin yín. Even tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe, má jẹ́ kó leak débi pé ìyàwó yín máa mọ̀. Tí ìyàwó yín bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ gan, ẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ ṣe máa pet ìyàwó yín, ẹ mọ̀ bẹ́ ṣe máa bẹ̀ because ẹ̀yin lẹ́ṣẹ̀ lẹ́dà ẹ̀. Kò ń ṣe obìnrin yẹn ló ṣẹ̀yìn. Because men, you go do say, you go fight that girl. I go show you. I go show you, you show yourself. Because as they show the woman, that word where you give that woman, say, I go show you, the woman can't start to cry, can't they think your business no go well for you. Even though if you get 100 million inside your account, you go turn to 20,000 naira inside your account. Because this thing is not good. It's not good. When you fi no jó rẹ wò, kó tó fi jọmọ ẹlẹ́ni. Fabẹ́rẹ́ gún rẹ wò, kó tó fi gún ọmọ làkejì. Use pin, shook yourself before go use and shook another person. Because if you say now woman do this thing, your husband can't know. The way they go blow the woman height, The way they go blow in height. Woman don't know how to shit. I be married woman. You know they see man to do shh. Hello, babe. If fact he get that belly, that in his stomach way big, way be like saying your husband no admire. Another man they admire. Marriage man no they see you know they see man for outside where they call him. I no talk for year. Sometimes if I go outside there, I know the way they do Afana, you can give me your number. Info Facebook. Marriage woman don't know how to shit. But they think their children, because of love where they get for your husband, that love where the woman get for you, why you no feel return back for your wife? So men, if you don't get all this name mama for outside, if they go come house before every day, they no go they come house every day. If they go work, if you tell your wife say I day night, na night, the woman won't go the work, won't go and say my husband day night work. Then in day for name mama, you can't sleep. Men, God go, if they do this woman will be like say you suffer follow you, God go punish you. If you say na woman do rubbish, I go come outside for her and come talk. Why woman go suffer with you? Suffer up, especially this Europe self is not easy. Husband and wife go suffer. Everyday appointment, inside snow, inside cold, inside this thing, inside that. Woman go dey follow you up and down waka. No go dey use two mind follow you. You go dey plan the way one won't get another girlfriend. God go punish all the men when they do that kind of thing. Because if you say now women do rubbish now, the way all do this Europe men where they go come outside for the woman, you yourself no go expect them. So if your men, your fellow men do that rubbish, you yourself supposed to come outside and talk am. If you want to know, they go say men no dey for one woman. Men no dey for one woman. At the end of the night, if you go carry sickness now the woman go dey carry shit, you go dey carry peace. Although this name mama, they go run, they no go wait. Even though if you get picky for you, they go carry their picky waka comot. Omele pony. I dey shaking ni. I don't go for. I wear white now. Something can't stay now. I go put her for water. I go wash am. It go clean. I go still wear am back. That's all this name mama. If you can't get any problem now, they go leave you. But your wife wey born for you, no go fit leave you. I know say some women wicked yo. Some women self wicked. But that woman wey wicked, go check am. Maybe na woman, na men, na him push am reach there. All this woman, whether they lock their husband for bottle, whether they do all this thing, whether they do juju for their husband, wetin their eyes don't see, na him make can do like that. But it's not good. Because if the repercussion come, you self, you no go like yourself. When you in kotaba feru kojo, kò because if that man, you can't see help, your eyes can't open. Oh, when you ajatuka tagbadi, the way the man go blow you, hey, if I give you, you do like this, ah. She be that woman will be like say 4 teeth, you come out, your own, all of them go just come out. Because you go to say, what I put for us? Now my wife be this. Because now you use something, tie the man. No be God tie that man for you. So men will be like say you can't get good luck. According to Fashola, good luck. You can't get good luck. God can't give you good luck wife. You know do that thing for you. You know they happy. Don't they wakara kurukere? If you go chop akara, you go chop meme. If you chop meme, you go chop asaro. Now you know the place where they say asaro will be like say they put crayfish, they put ejagbigbe. Some men go to say, you know now if you chop jollof rice, you need to chop fried rice. What's it different? Because of green beans, carrot, and header, where they put inside. That woman, no, you no get blame. Although this woman, you need to pity for this woman. We can't they cry, say you know the sufferness, you know the bear where I bear for the marriage. When woman talk that thing, oh, I know say maybe now that woman, now ain't find work for your husband. Now ain't they do everything before your husband get work. What is your husband supposed to return for him to appreciate? Now ain't to get another slim mama. You be like say straight, you know fat, you use cream, you do packing gel, you can't use Brazilian hair. Sorry. I know see the hair where the woman do. Now with you in natural hair, you can't do a one Bob Marley. Because say you want do everything where your husband want. At the end of the day, you come here say your husband get another woman. Wait make the woman go that supermarket. You don't reach, say maybe your husband know they come house again. Woman know they judge like that, say maybe the woman no get good character. No, they because you no follow this woman reach house. You know men. Even though your husband come for work, you can't carry food. You can't my husband, welcome. See your food for table. You can't carry water. You can't carry water we go use to wash hand. You can't lay down like this. Man don't know him. Man will go shit, you go shit. Man will go shit, you go shit. You no good now. You no good. I beg. This woman, me I no get any blame for this woman, no. Say because you no beat the girl, you no beat am, you no rough their makeup. As the people even tell am say it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. He leave the girl go their own, the woman go their own. You don't know whether I don't fight your husband, Maybe this thing don't cause a lot of problem inside house. Your husband even don't beat am on top that matter. And I come say okay, that lady, I will kuku go meet am by myself. Make me and that woman, my eyes koro, may you can see koro. They can't blame the person will be like this, that it belongs to her. It no belongs to slay mama. Because that thing happen for Nigeria. Maybe the house where that woman and husband they live now. Maybe the woman, maybe now you get half inside that house. That's why women, if you do something for men, maybe you support them for one thing. Just know, say, you do your own for God. Even though not do one for your children, because at the end of the day, because a man, their head is spark. If you see that video, true. if you go rent house for the girl, or if you come to say, you can't go fight her, you don't know, I go kuku marry am. If you bring her come that house, you go born for your husband. At the end of the day, if you come to say you dey threaten her inside the house, you go come do juju, pursue you comot for the house and your pikin. You know say that your pikin, you no get any property for the house. If or else you know say your pikin wan die. Then na your money na him big pass inside that house. So if you don't do something for men, maybe you support your husband, just know say you do your own for God. Then that way do, na him go judge that man and that slave mama wey they come put for house. Now other people they go get problem later. If you come sick now, the slave mama will go carry, we don't born one pikin for am, two pikin for am, and they fuck another man for outside, but don't do juju tie the man because you don't know say this man I know the way they work out kurukere. If you come say the man now something just bege, maybe the man sick, don't see say he don't try him best, he go carry him pikin. Even though if he carry one, leave one for am, he go waka go comot. Na ex-wife wey be like say if you say na good person, na him go still come dey. If you say never marry you, go still come dey come check am, come look for am. If God don't give you your wife, wey be like say you know say I marry this girl, everything dey go well for me, something dey smooth for you, don't use your hand pursue your blessing, pursue your hand girl wey God will give you. Wey be like say the time wey you dey come for heaven, na that hand girl God just talk say, yeah, follow this man and your husband, now you be their hand girl. Don't follow your hand. When you tani hand girl me, she woli rani, abi olùṣọ́ àgùntàn. Don't use your hand pursue your hand girl. Some marriage woman, some husband and wife, if it be like say na your husband, na him be your hand girl. If it be like say na your wife, na him be your hand girl. But if you want don't misbehave, one don't comot, that one wey left, maybe na wife left or your husband, the life don't spoil. Although these people, they know they blame this coronavirus, they can't they blame positive. They know they blame negative, they blame positive. Why? I put my money for table. They say the place where I keep the money is not good. It not be my house. The thing belong with that woman because don't know how many children we don't born for your husband. Maybe not 3 or 4. Okay, now I come here say your wife, your husband now, he get another girlfriend for us. Go come fold your wife. I know say if you fold your wife, at the end of the day, now you go kill that man. Now you go kill that man. That's my own. May a lot of people drop comments. May I know what everybody want to talk. You wait like say you fold your eyes. Say, you get girlfriend, what I want to do? May I go fight the game? I better leave her. Ilela potin joko didi. If that man sleep, that calm man, wait like say your wife, you know, say you get girlfriend, you know they talk, they do mene. Don't if you sleep, just they do like if you just close your 2 eyes, and before you know, you don't go. If you sleep, just use one hand, do like this, they look calm. If you say that your wife, you don't stand up, you say stand up, follow am. Because woman will be like say, go, yes, say, my husband they do this, my husband they fuck my friend, my husband they get a girlfriend for her side, my husband know they come as come sleep. Your wife come quiet, come sleep. Say, I'm a man, I be head of the house. If you just do like this, before you do like this, it's better do like this and hope one. If you do like this, before you know, they don't stab you like Miriam.